Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple and fun recipe, ramen noodle omelette. Doesn't everybody have ramen noodles or any other kinds of instant noodles? Instant noodles in Chinese, 方便面. Let me show you the simple ingredients. I have 1 pack of ramen noodles. You can use any other instant noodles. And 1 egg, 2 stalks of green onions. Can the ingredients be simpler? And we just need to beat the egg. I have 2 stalks of green onions. Just chop them finely, thinly. Okay. Now let's cook the ramen noodles. I already pre-boiled pot of water. Let's add the ramen noodles. And we'll let it cook about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 2 minutes, our noodles ready. Just want to mention I didn't add the package. Now I'm ready to take out the noodles. Just drain the excess water. Now transfer it into a bowl. Now we add eggs. Green onions. And we season with salt. White pepper powder. And mix together. And we're ready to make the omelette. I'm heating up the pan to medium. Just add some avocado oil, or you can use vegetable oil. When it's hot, let's add a mixture. So let's cook about a minute until the omelette is formed. Then we can flip it. About a minute, I think we're ready to flip. 1, 2, 3. Wow, looks crispy, right? And let the other side cook about another minute. Smells good, looking good. Our omelette is ready. Let's take a close look at the omelette. You can see crispy outside. See the noodles. I'm gonna try it. Here's a piece. I'm ready to try it. Do you want to try a piece?
Sure.
Mr. Cameraman? Here. I know you love noodles. Anything with noodles, right? Here you go. Enjoy. Cheers.
Delicious.
Crispy outside. Noodles great, right? Such comfort food, comfort omelette. Doesn't need any dipping sauce. But if you guys want sauce, you can check out my egg foo young sauce. You can serve with that sauce. Crispy. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know if you ever had omelette with noodles or ramen noodles. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.